Birsa Munda Stadium. We are at Ranchi, Jharkhand. Within a short while, we are ready for the first event for the day 4, that is qualification mark for Commonwealth Games is 14 minutes 56.60 seconds, and that is the start of 5000 meters run for women final. The total number of athletes are 11. They will run 5000 meters run for women final. As the athletes have to go for 12.5 laps for 5000 meters run women final. And in the lead we have 547 Seema of Reliance. She belongs from Himachal Pradesh and born 2001. Best timing is 15 minutes 16.20 seconds. Seema from Reliance, bib number is 547. The athletes are 11 in 5000 meters run for women final. We are witnessing the 29th National Senior Athletics Federation Competition 2026 at Birsa Munda Stadium. Athletics is not just a speed, height or distance. It's a celebration of the human spirit's refusal to break. Over the next few days, we will witness the finest track and field talents. We have already witnessed it. Here we have 547 and she is Seema of Reliance, and followed by bib number 262. She is Sanghamitra Mahata of IOCL. Local girl, Jharkhand, born 2004. And also participate in 10 km, 25 km and marathon. These are the road events, and best timing is 17 minutes 08.99 seconds in 5000 meters run at Indian Athletics Series. The second place winner. She is in the lead and 547 Seema Reliance. The 29th National Senior Federation Athletics Federation Cup is turning out to be one of the most historic domestic track and field meets India has ever witnessed, because the Athletics Federation of India set incredibly steep entry targets requiring athletes to practically smash national records to qualify. We have seen an absolute explosion of national records tumbling over the first 3 days, and today is the 4th day of this competition, and presently the event 5000 meters run for women final is in progress. 10 laps to go for the runners of 5000 meters run women final. As time passes, 3 minutes. 5000 meters run for women final. Aarti Pawara, Supriti Kachap, Sakshi Bhandari, Babli Verma, Sunita Devi, Sonam Parmar, Chhatru, Sanghamitra Mahata, Seema, Ravina Gayakwar and Shilpa Dihora. These are the starters of 5000 meters run for women final. And the qualification mark for this event, 5000 meters run, is 14 minutes 56.60 seconds. Nine laps to go for 5000 meters run for women final. (5,000 meters run national record stands in the name of Parul Chaudhary, hold the national record of 15 minutes 10.35 seconds, locked at the Sound Running on Track Fest 2023 in Los Angeles. She broke Pooja Sridharan's old record of 15 minutes 15.89 seconds. achieved at 2010 Asian Games in Guangzhou, the People's Republic of China. Seema Reliance belongs from Himachal Pradesh. Best timing is 15 minutes 16.20 seconds. And the fastest female for 5000 meters run for the world is Beatrice Chevette with the timing 13 minutes 58.06 seconds, and Gaurav Sege 14 minutes 00.21 seconds. Seema, born 2001, representing Reliance. 8 laps to go for 5000 meters run women final at the 29th National Senior Athletics Federation competition 2026. 8 more laps to complete the race. That is 3200 meters to go for the starters of 5000 meters run for women final, as it passes 6 minutes. And in the second lead we have, after Seema from Reliance, there's a big gap in this event. She's taking a good lead. 5000 meters run for women final. Seema, 7 laps to go. She's maintaining a good pace for 5000 meters run for women.
Well, the answer, Sangeeta, for Seema is very clear. The girl from Himachal Pradesh, in fact, she created history by becoming the first Indian woman to win a medal in the 5000 meters at the World University Games. Got Ravina right behind her, but that's far away. Seema in absolutely command with 7 laps to go. And as I said, she created a record by becoming the first Indian to win the 5000 meters at the World University Games, where she clinched the silver with a personal best of 15 minutes 35.86. In fact, she later lowered the 5000 meters mark with a personal best of 15:16.20. Seema, of course, overcame some hurdles that initially kept her out of the 10,000 meters event to storm back and capture a historic 5,000 meters silver. That's the girl there. Her personal best 15 minutes 16.20 in the 5,000 at the Brand Clay International in California. A National Open Athletic, she won the gold 5,000 at the National Open Athletic Championship. So, संगीता, अगर हम सीमा की बात करें, जैसे मैंने कहा अभी कि वो एक इंटरनेशनल है, अमेरिका में ट्रेन करती है, सोशल मीडिया पे काफ़ी एक्टिव है, मैं हमेशा उसकी पोस्ट देखते रहता हूँ, और ये जाहिर है कि रवीना भी है इस इवेंट में, लेकिन सीमा की जो इंटरनेशनल स्टेचर है, आई थिंक दैट विल टेक हर थ्रू इन द 5000 मीटर्स. And the climatic conditions are decently good here in the morning. 14 minutes 56.60 is what the qualification mark is. But Sangeeta, with her personal best, as I said, of 15 minutes 16.20, the qualification mark looks a little difficult, but remember, nothing is difficult in life for these athletes. Yesterday we saw the men's pole vault. Everyone said, why are they attempting 5.42 meters? They went on to beat both of them to 5.42. Then we said, अब खत्म हो गया 5.42 पे national record. They said, नहीं, हम आगे जाएंगे. And they went to 5.45. And both of them bettered that record. They of course did try for the 5.50. Ravina there in the second of your picture frame. And they went again for 5.50. Unfortunate that they couldn't clear. But from 5.35 to 5.42 to 5.45 in 3 hours that event went on in that climatic condition, certainly great. And this girl Seema, look at her, she's in her own zone. Perhaps the way she's going, she might even lap Ravina Gaikwad, who was also now a very accomplished runner. Although Ravina's pet event is the 10,000 meters, she won the 10,000 meters on the opening day.
And sir, yeah, 4 laps to go for the starters of 5,000 meters run for women final. And Seema is there. She is from Reliance, born 2001. Movement of Seema shows she is very, very confident about her event 5,000 meters run for women.
She's now about to lap one of the girls. Ravina still way behind. In fact, Ravina now is approximately 300 meters behind this girl on your picture frame. Look at the composure for Seema. She's also won the national 10 kilometers championship, gold at the 17th Asian Cross Country Championships in Hong Kong. She comes from Mansa in Punjab. World's highest ranking has been 37 in the cross country, 104 in the 10K. Her first international experience was in 2017. That's not the leader. The leader is Seema. And she won a bronze in the 3,000 meters at the Asian, that's the girl, the Asian Youth Championships in Bangkok. Then she took a 9th place in the Commonwealth Youth Games in Nassau. 10 minutes, 09.34. And then during the following year, she took a 5th place at the Asian Junior Championships in Gifu before finishing 13th at the Youth Olympic Games in Buenos Aires. So there's plenty to talk about her, and the reason is that this morning she's got just 3 laps to go.
3 laps to go for the starters of 5,000 meters run for women final. And here's the training aspects. If we discuss about the training aspect, there are different phases. In the first phase, we get the first 1,000 meters is for aerobic efficiency and the cruising state. The second phase, 1,500 meters to 3,500 meters, the mental grind and lactate threshold. 3,500 meters to 4,600 meters, the break and the VO2 max exhaustion. And phase 4, that means the final 400 meters, the bell lap and anaerobic kick. So 2 more laps to go for 5,000 meters run for women final. Time passes 13 minutes. And timing for Seema is 15 minutes 16.20 seconds.
Around little under 800 meters to go here for Seema. संगीता जिस तरह से वो लीड लेते जा रही है, मेरे ख्याल से जो बाकी के एथलीट्स है 14 के नाम थे, 3 have not started. बाकी के नाम जो है वो उनको शायद 2 दफा भी लैप कर देगी.
ऑलरेडी 2 को कर चुकी है Seema, representing Reliance.
Well, while she does represent Reliance, she trains in the US. Most of the or some of the long distance runners do train there. Gulveer Singh trains in America. We've had some of the others who trained there as well. So now we are into the final lap here for Seema, representing Reliance, but the girl from Mansa, this girl, she's the far back straight, and she will surely finish this event in looks like little under 16 minutes perhaps.
More meters to go for the leader of the pack, and she is Seema of Reliance, belongs from Himachal Pradesh. Time passes 15 minutes, and this is the fourth day for the 29th National Senior Athletics Federation competition 2026 at Birsa Munda Stadium. So 5,000 meters run for women final. Here we get Seema. That was a excellent finish performed by her. The first track event of the fourth day of 29th National Senior Athletics Federation competition 2026. And total starters were 11 out of 14. Three, 5, 6. Ravina Gayakwar of Maharashtra is coming for the second lead. Ravina Gayakwar, versatile athlete. And in the third place we get
तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है
2 and Sonam takes 3. 60